Hey guys, this is RazvanDragos, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Bullstrap MagSafe wallet for the iPhone 14 Pro. It's going to match the case that you see right now in the video. This is the box that it comes in with. I want to slide it out this way. And you have another package here. This is held on by a magnet. And it opens up like this. You got a lifetime warranty card and a Enjoy Your Journey sticker. This opens up like that. And you got the MagSafe wallet. This can hold up to 3 cards, 2 at first, but once it gets loosened up, you can have more. Overall, it looks very nice. The stitching is also pretty spot on. No imperfections there. And like I said, it is a magnetic one, so it just glues onto the phone. Not gonna move. It's a pretty strong magnet. Makes for a very nice combination, and you can skip the wallet for quick trips. Let's take a quick look around the phone. Doesn't make the phone feel too bulky or heavy, so that's a nice thing. Very, very premium combination overall. As you can see, it fits perfectly with the camera cutout. This was RazvanDragos, and thank you for watching.